This Remax Equity Group property video is presented by Michelle Carter-Smith. Located at the spacious corner of a quiet cul-de-sac, this well-maintained and updated duplex offers a fantastic opportunity for investors or multi-generational living. Each unit includes its own private entrance, fully fenced yard, and in-unit laundry, providing privacy and convenience for both occupants. Recent updates over the past 3 years bring modern comfort and style, while a new roof, 2024, and mesh-covered gutters, 2022, offer peace of mind for years to come. Each bathroom and both kitchens have been stylishly updated. Refrigerators are included in both units. Dedicated parking and individual garages add to the property's functionality. Whether you're looking to generate reliable rental income or enjoy the flexibility of living in one unit while renting the other, this duplex combines practicality, comfort, and long-term value in a desirable Gresham location. Located near schools and shopping. For more information,